first step for using NotilusSteeler is creating a project. The main features of the project such as length, beam, draft, midship, and frame spacing should be entered. Also, metrics of the features can be seen in the form. After creating a project, users can define blocks with the block manager. Block names get into the part names, so it is recommended to use shortcodes for the block names. It is possible to change the active block or delete predefined blocks in the block manager. Before starting to define the structural model, it is recommended to check the settings and customize the plate size. Plate size values are used in the control of defined surfaces if they fit into the plates or not. NotilusSteeler can extract surfaces of the solid objects and set thickness direction automatically. Also, type and thickness values get set in the form with respect to object geometry. Material, thickness, type, throw, and block values of parts can be edited after the define process. Users can define structural parts in 3 different ways. The first way is to use solid parts. NotilusSteeler automatically extracts surfaces of the solid parts and the user can select the surface and the software detects throw direction and thickness value. Second way is to use a surface. The user selects the throw direction and thickness value manually. Third way is to use curves. Only planar curves can be used for part definition. And again the user selects the throw direction and thickness value manually with this option. Defined parts are layered with respect to their structure types. All layers are set under the main structure layer. Colors of the layers can be changed in the settings form. It is usually recommended to split plates into optimum sizes. If the plate size is too large, then the weight calculation and auto unroll control operations can take some time. For adding stiffeners, users first place the stiffener reference curves. These curves can be created by the offset command or section command. The only requirement for the stiffener curves is they should intersect with the container plate. Different types of stiffeners are present in the default library. Stiffeners can be added by selecting plates and curves. Details of the stiffeners can be edited in the form. Previews for the stiffeners get updated instantly by form selections. After the selections, solid stiffener objects get into the Rhino document. Also, all stiffeners can be edited separately even if they are created multiple at once. All features of the created stiffeners can be edited after the define process as well. Start and end positions of the stiffeners can be updated by selecting a point or entering a position value directly. predefined cut types can be applied to stiffeners. Snipe end details can be used if wanted. After completing the structural modeling, markers can be added to parts. Once adding markers to parts is done, 2D forms of the parts can be added to the Rhino document. NotilusSteeler automatically categorizes part 2D forms with respect to their thickness values. Finally, users can create sheets and all labels get placed into sheets for parts and markers. Direction markers are also placed into 2D forms. Plate numbers get set with respect to the thickness values of the parts in the plate. Scrap percentage, weight of the parts, and length of cutting get calculated automatically. For preparing workshops, users can use the NotilusDrafting plugin. The first step is creating the project. Same with the NotilusSteeler, user should enter the values for the project. Xmin and Zmin values are used for yachts that are modeled behind or under the origin point. Workshop drawings can be prepared with different types of options. According to their requirements, users can take sections, scene views or isometric views. Also, it is possible to set a scale for the drawings. Sections can be inserted into the same file and labels can be added with one command. After adding created sections to a new file, users can add structure labels automatically or manually. The scale for the labels can be changed separately. Labels for parts and stiffeners get added in different formats. Block name, unique ID, type, and thickness value information can be found on the label. After labels get added to workshop drawings, details and layout get created automatically. Users can place created details into the layout and complete the workshop drawings.